Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and I finally have it in the building, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, and I actually paid for this. This is the 512 model. I'm pretty hyped for this one. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. I actually picked this up from the Samsung website, so this is the unlock model. I chose the black variant because it came in 512, and for some reason, if you guys are doing the pre-ordering, you could actually attach $100 from the $200 bonus to the 512 and actually make it the same price as the 256. Now, I really wanted the silver one, but I'm going with this one, and it's like a matte black now. But here's the box itself. If you guys are curious what it says here, you guys can pause that and read it for yourself. You definitely can. Samsung on the other side, Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now, this box is a little bit different because it does not come with a charger. But if you pre-ordered through Samsung, then you got your free charger or you got your free case. I'll show you guys in the upcoming videos what I chose as my pre-order gifts, but let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. Inside is all black, and straight off the gate you have the front of the display. Let's see if it has the IMEI stuff here. Nope, no IMEI stuff here. Alright, here we go. I can't believe it's finally back. It does feel a little bit smaller than the Z Fold 2. Hopefully that helps with one-handed use. And on the inside here, you do have a Type-C to Type-C charger, which I am not happy with. But if you guys did the pre-order, you guys have a whole bunch of gifts. These are the two chargers that I got for free. So big shout out to Samsung for that. And I might have to sell one of them because I don't even need both of them, but there you go right there. Alright, so let's just pop this out. Alright, here we go, guys. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is back in the building. Look at that matte black finish. Alright, making sure there's no scratches. Very, very beautiful device. You do have the IMEI there on the bottom, so I'm going to cover that up. But this is the first fold. Here we go, guys. It definitely feels a little bit more thinner, probably because I don't have it in the case, but this all black finish is absolutely beautiful. I really like it, honestly. This is definitely like the Black Knight, the Dark Knight. Beautiful phone, man. Holy cow. You can see the antenna bands. Perfect placement for the fingerprint scanner / power button. Wow, this is such a beauty. Let's just power this baby on. Does it have any juice? There we go. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. And we have that extra display over here. If you guys want to see the specs, I will have it down below in the description. But I'm just here just to gaze at the phone for right now. Let's see if it picks up fingerprints. I do actually sweat a lot, so very curious to see. Very clean, way better than the first one for sure. Alright, so here we go, guys. It does have a camera in the front, but it's kind of hidden. It's a little bit hard to see, but here we go, guys. I really like it. I think it feels a lot better than the second one. Very nice. Let's see how that hinges. Alright, very beautiful. So thin too. Very thin. Alright guys, so if you guys want to see more coverage of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, I will have a lot of case reviews on the way. So just subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. The screen looks beautiful in the front, and you do have 120 Hz in the front, so you get that fast refresh rate for the front. You do have a difference in The megapixel for the front facing camera is now different because it's kind of hidden now. But if you guys want to take the front facing photos, just use this display, and then you take advantage of the back camera being in front, so it's not a big deal. But I really like it, honestly. So if you guys want to pick this up, I will have a link down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. Man, this is such a beautiful phone. Boom. I love it.